Jokenya kidek yudre kama tek kiny bang' riwruok mar weg nyamburko mating'o jowuoth e pacho ka lando chako ng'anyo mar godiechieng'no makiny. Giwacho ni gidhi rem donje tich mar kowo jowuoth ka gisundo sirikal okaw okang' ne jogo mosebedo ka wang'o matatu moyudo masira. Gilero ni ondao makama en maneno ni orit ngima jowuoth, jotije mag nyamburko mantie apaya, kendo ni masira makatimore to iluwo kod obila kendo jogo maketo ngima jowuoth andaki okawnegi chik mar mager mar chik.
The strike is on. There will be no public transport from all major cities in Kenya. And so from today, as we move from here, we have communicated to all our circles across the country. No business shall be going on our streets in terms of public transport. Just this month of January, more than 10 vehicles have been touched. No responsibility, no any action has been taken.
We have had incidents of personal vehicles. We have incidents of trucks being touched. So our issue is with the Ministry of Interior. Nothing has been done. Since September 2nd up to now, we have had over 20 vehicles banned. There's no official communication from the IG, from the Minister himself. We have not heard a word from him.